Hi, Botswana. This is Masego Moatswi. I'm 26 years old. Please, vote for me. Please. Hey, baby. It's mommy. Please, don't hurt me. Oh, that was very painful. Oh my gosh, it's you again. You're back. What are you doing here? I told you, I'm not selling my baby for you. It's not that if I'm a street kid, I have to sell my baby for you. Get lost, because I'm not going to sell my baby for you. Because this baby is my everything. It's the only thing that God gave it to me. So if you force me to give you my baby, I'll never forgive you. I will never ever forgive you. Being a street kid, it doesn't mean that I can't take my own baby. I can take care of her. Because I will do whatever it takes to take care of you, my baby. And this idiot wants to take you away from me. But mommy promised you, I will never let anyone take you away from me. If it means killing, I will kill. So get out, because I'm not going to sell my baby for you. If you threaten my life, I'm going to report you. Because you're going around abusing street kid. I don't know why people do that, but I'm going to tell you one more time, I'm not going to sell my baby for you. Never. So get out! Get out! Just get the hell out of here and leave me alone. Baby. Oh, Mommy's sorry. Mommy's so sorry. Mama got something to tell you. Mommy doesn't have money to protect you. Money for taking care of you. But Mommy got something special for you. Something that Mommy will always remember. And I want you to keep it, okay? It's a nice panty, baby. Just keep it, okay? I know they're going to take you away from me. Because I don't have nothing. Just nothing to protect you. If only you can keep this nice panty. I know that you will always love Mommy. Because the sick animals want to take you away from me. Well, God gave me you. Oh, baby, stop kicking Mommy. I promise I will do whatever it takes. Please. It's going to be fine, my baby. It's going to be fine, my angel. You are nothing but a diamond that God gave it to me. I'm sorry. Please call an ambulance. I'm gonna go for labor. Please, someone help me. Please, just hear me out. Just help me, please. God, please, don't do that to me. Just don't take care from me. Someone, please, just call the damn ambulance. Okay, baby, Mommy's gonna take good care of you. Okay, baby, don't kick Mommy like that. It's... Oh, shit, this is very painful. Oh, shit. I'm scared I'm gonna lose you, baby. Please, don't kick me. please. Just call ambulance. Oh! I'm gonna go labor. Oh, God.